Hi, this is a quick guide on buying a new battery. If you're watching this is on YouTube, I'm gonna leave the link for more in-depth details about battery and how to read these information on the battery. This is just a quick explanation here. If you notice, this is group 65 and this is a group 65, and the price difference, this is 139 and this is 109. The reason why this is more money, and that the reason why this gives you more power than this one, both will fit the car. Okay, so this is just a quick, this is not all the information you need to know about the battery, but this is some. If you notice here, this is the cranking amps on this one 1000, and they call the cranking amps 850. The 850, that means that's how much power you get at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Notice this one here, 800 cranking amps, and this also has 650 called the cranking amps. Okay, so again, this is 1000 versus 800 and 850 versus 650. Of course, 850 is better, and it gives you more power in the cold weather, especially if it's near zero or below zero. And again, you notice here, this is a 3 years warranty. This is have a 2-year warranty. Okay. So if you looking to buy a new battery, look at this. There's one more thing I don't see here, which is I would prefer if they have it, the reserve capacity. I love to see the reserve capacity. So again, if you are on YouTube, watch the YouTube video I made on reserve capacity. Reserve capacity, that means if you sitting inside the car and you have the ignition on but the engine is off, that will, the more reserve capacity you have, the longer you could have your accessories on while the engine is not running. Okay, you could have your lights on, your radio on, whatever you're using on the car, and that it gives you more time to use your stuff before you drain your battery. So the higher the reserve capacity is, the better. Okay, the higher the cold cranking amps, the better, for especially cold weather. And again, watch the video on YouTube. Even if you're on TikTok, you could click on my YouTube channel and go find that video there. Here's another example. Okay, this is group size 24F. The group size, that means whether it fits your car or not, the tray on your car and the dimension on the space you have for that battery. This is also 24F. If you notice, this one 139, almost 140, and this is almost 110. Okay, and again, on the cheaper one, they call the cranking amp 600, 750 for cranking amps. This one here, 725 and 890. So 890 versus 750, and 600 cold cranking amps versus 725 cold cranking amps. Okay, keep this in mind. This is the least you should know about the battery before you buy it. And as you notice, this has a 3 years warranty. You have to use. I would buy the 3-year warranty with the higher cranking amps, because that will save me in the winter. I don't have to worry about the car, especially if it's a good battery. I'm not recommending any name, but this is general information about batteries for you to know. Okay, that's very much it. And again, pay attention to the reserve capacity. Reserve capacity is important. Sometimes they have them by minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, 120 minutes, etc. Sometimes 114, whatever. So the higher the reserve capacity, the more you can use the battery when the engine is off. All right, that's very much it. Thank you for watching.